If you're planning to rent a car while traveling, finding the right size car is easy, but things can really get confusing and complicated when it comes to insurance add-ons. Mark has more on what you need to know. Hey, Mark.
Hey, so if you're thinking of buying the added coverage or wonder if you're already covered with your own policy, listen to this one. Consumer Reports has a couple of money-saving tips on rental car insurance. When Andrea Ferrero travels on vacation or for business, she frequently rents cars, but she's often confused about whether to add the rental company's insurance to the credit card and personal coverage she already has.
It's hard to know if you're fully covered and if you have the right coverage.
Consumer Reports says before you rent a car, check for coverage under your personal auto insurance and also through the credit card you'll use. Credit cards can change their terms, though. For instance, Discover recently stopped offering rental car insurance altogether. American Express, Chase, and Citibank still do offer it, but you're going to want to check their terms and limits. If a credit card is your primary coverage, there could be a benefit to using it.
Should there be a claim, the credit card insurance could be in line to cover it, and your own auto insurance rates may not change.
Remember that to be covered through your credit card, you need to pay for the entire rental with that card and then decline the rental agency's coverage.
However, if you are going to depend on your own auto insurance policy, remember the rental will be covered under the same terms as your own car, so check those terms carefully.
For instance, if your personal policy doesn't have collision coverage, you should consider adding the rental car companies, but that can run as much as $30 a day. Liability can run $10 to $15 a day. In the end, Andrea says peace of mind is worth doing the research and paying for additional coverage if it's needed, just to be safe. Also keep in mind, if you are traveling outside the U.S., it's very possible that your personal insurance policy isn't going to cover that rental car. So in that case, best option to be get the rental company's insurance. Also read the fine terms. Pretty much with everything in life, you just got to be sure that you're not getting taken advantage of.
Read the fine print.
Exactly.
That's really helpful to know because I always get so flustered when I'm up there. I don't know what to choose.
Right, so you're sitting at the desk and it's like you're feeling some pressure. So yeah, just good stuff to know.
All right.